The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to yet another interesting knowledge nugget session, knowledge sharing session on Anyone Can Draw. Come, let's sketch your first baby step. Today I have Hitesh from TMTL Tractors, and he's here to walk you through the baby steps. Take your first step, as in to learn how to do pencil sketching. Hitesh has been doing this for quite a while. He will give a short intro about him at the beginning, and he will tell you how to begin pencil sketching in this session. Excited I am, and I know you are. Please, moving on to session. Over to you, Hitesh.
Everyone. I'm Mitesh. I'm a mechanical engineer, and uh, I have done college from YMCA Faridabad. So I am here in R&D transmission. So I'm going to tell you how I started my career as a drawing, as a hobby, as a part time, which I'm doing. So I'm a self-taught artist. So let's start, ma'am. Next slide, please. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Yeah. So my journey from zero to one. Here you can see I have quoted 3 points in the presentation. First is childhood. You can see how I draw in childhood. It's about in 2004 I have started drawing the cartoon characters. I was inspired by TV shows like Art Attack, Mad, and different shows. And when I came to teenagehood, there I have drawn a perspective that is of IIT Delhi. I have gone there for Tech Fest, and there I've presented my drawing and won a good prize over there. Now, present, you can see that I have acquired a bit good skills in sketching. So you can see that how Lord Shiva is coming out 3D from the paper. This is all done from a charcoal pencil, single charcoal pencil. Uh, so I would ask everyone, if you have a paper or a pen, so please keep it with you. We are going to try something from them. So please, ma'am, can you change the slide? So get to know sketching. So what I am going to teach you right now, or explain you, that's basic of sketching, how to draw line, circle, shape. So these are the basic things, and how to visualize things. Next, I'm going to share you how shading will help you to overcome the fear of sketching, and final will be the finishing. So next slide, please, ma'am. So the basic of sketching: if you are having pen in front of you and a paper, you can start drawing a line. Just just put a point and another point, and from first point to next point you should try to draw a line. If initially you will not be able to connect these points, but after some time, if you have tried a little while, you will start connecting the point from one end to the another. So for that you have to make some ghost line, then you have to follow that ghost line in keeping your eyes towards the second point. So after that you point out the after making a line on a dotted line, go to uh, make a straight line through your hand, freely moving, elevated and easily. So now come to 7 point and make 7 point. There you can see that you can put another point and draw again a ghost line and connect these points. After connecting points, you can see you can easily draw straight lines. These are the initial things which a professional tries to make a sketches. Here at the last you can see how a professional try to draw lines and achieve the skills in drawing straight lines. Next slide, please. Now we are going to make a circle. Circle making with a free hand is very difficult. Actually, whenever you are trying to make circle, it becomes oval or a different shape. you are unable to connect the first starting point with and the end point at the common point. So here you can see, you can first make a ghost lines, and then try to make trace out to make a circle. So if you are unable to make it one go, you should try to make that hover over that circle around 4 to 5 times. It will look like a circle. So let's practice one more time. Visualize a contact point, and from that contact point, draw another circle by making a ghost line. So after doing this, you can repeat again and again to make circles attaching to each other. So you can see here at the last I have shown you how you can make double or triple rings to make a circle which looks like a circle. Recommended, you can see. Next slide, please, ma'am. So because we are know how to draw a line, we can draw square and rectangle easily through that. And I have also shown you how to make a circle. But these are basic elements. These are already represented in 2D element. Now here you the forms you can see. We can draw a sphere from a circle, cube and pyramid from a square, and cone and cylinder through with the respect of combining circle, cylinder. Okay, the next slide. So once we have seen how the form is working, so we should literally know how the perspective works. Perspective is equal to perception. So when we have seen there a cuboid, you can see the face of the cube was towards you. So that was one point perspective. And when the face is not towards you or towards the viewer, you can see the 2 point perspective. You can see from a angle that the square or cuboid is made. You can see here when you are in a hole or in a cabin, you can see the down photo. There are two photos representing how 1 point perspective work and how a 2 point perspective works. Next slide. So here how we visualize things means how we decode every object into simple object, then make things. Like here in the first box you can see the shape of a palm. We are going to make a hand, so it is the shape of a palm. You can see that this is a cuboid. And the secondly, we want to make a thumb. So for making thumb, we make a small arc like structure. So in third, we have made a thumb on this. Now now we can connect those line and make a thumb. So now we can next step is fifth step. You can see the rough shape of a finger which we make while making a sketching. After that, we individually make a finger on them, which you can see each finger is a cylinder like structure. So after that, we just render them out and make a proper form of a hand. Next slide. Shading. Uh, till now, whatever we have seen that are black and white in shape, when we draw in shade, that the objects come out from the paper, means it's really look nice and very well we can represent our artwork. Here you can see what I have drawn. There you can see a star. It is not a star. Actually, it is a point source. You can create point source anywhere in your drawing and start shading. Now here, this sphere you are looking, this is a circle actually. When I drew a star, we always know that light travel in a straight line. So when light travel in a straight line, I have drawn two lines. You can see these two lines are straight line, and the shadow which is going to be made are against this straight line only. So now you can see the center light, the front portion, center light. There will be no shadows. And the secondly, you can see the highlight. The highlight is actually a reflection of that light source. And when we are coming through the uh, uh, mid of the sphere, you can see the half tone shade. When we are coming down to the down from the mid area, we can see the core shadow. Core shadow is there because neither the light can reach over there, neither the floor reflection can reach over there. When we are coming down, there is a reflected light. Obviously, the floor or on which the object is kept, it has a tendency to reflect light. So that's why the shadow is a bit light over there. And at the bottom of the sphere, you can see occlusion shadow. It is occlusion shadow because neither the light can reach over there, neither the reflection can reach over there. Now I have drawn, you can see that I have drawn a shadow. Shadow is not exactly the shape of a sphere. It is oval in shape. Actually it is oval because you can see the upper straight line and the lower straight line. They are making ovality over the shadow. So always shadow should be made a- according to the straight line that is passing through the outer surface of the sphere. So here you can see an example of an apple. Previous slide, ma'am. Example of an apple. How example? Sorry. How apple is drawn over here? You can see the apple is coming out from the paper because we have equally shaded its equally amount from a point source. Exactly how we have shaded the sphere. Okay, ma'am. Next slide. So this we have drawn in our elementary school. This is a basic sketch we all have drawn from our basic element, that you can see the hut made from triangle, pyramid, rectangle, and you can see the boat over there, and that mountain from triangle, and that sun and that river flowing. So I will show you how from shadow and detailing we can change the perspective, how it is looking right now and at the last it will be looking. Ma'am, can you play the video? So here I have started making I have started shading the mountains. At the back of the mountain also there are some mountains. When we see a landscape, the top of the mountain is never so pointed, so I have done them a curve, given them a curve, and I am trying to shade according to the light. Means as I have said, when the light strike on the object, there will be less light shadow, and the far away there will be dark shadow. I have drawn a bit of bushes or trees in front of the mountains. Um, Now I'm drawing a tree. Uh, I'm drawing by doodling circles inside the tree. Uh, Ma'am, can you pause? Uh, Now here you can see the bottom side. I have tried to make it darker. Why I tried to make it darker? Because it is away from light, and the topmost portion is near in excess of light. And here I am drawing the branch and the stem of the tree by shading it a bit darker and light shade. Just, actually, it will look a full dark because the sun is in front, but to showcase that this is a tree, so I have shaded by representing a point source at the right of it, a light source at the right of it, and the shadow will be at the left side, so left side portion will be darker. Continue the video, ma'am. Now you can see that left side I am dark shading it darker, and right side a bit light, so I can easily represent what I want to draw. Now you can see the tree, how it's look like with all the shades I have drawn. Ma'am, pause. Now you have seen the boat, the elementary shape. You have already seen the boat. Now what I am doing, I'm just adding a bit of curve on it, elliptical curve, so that a person can sit inside it, and the curve in front and the back and the straight line, which is all representing how boat looks like. The small details, the small structural details, I have detailed work in a detail, and now I'm shading. continue. Now I'm making a shadow of the person, and it's holding. Now you can see I have done a shadow work on the water. Now it's looking really awesome that I have done a detailed work with a shadow, and it's looks cool when you see it. So now we are making a house. Now the house I have drawn a bit 3D using the perspective, 1 point perspective. Ma'am, pause. Uh, Now you can see the house. It was when I have made in elementary steps. It was like a 2D object. Now I have drawn it 3D. I have done shading properly. You can see the top of the hut. You can see the dark shadows over there. The windows and doors are having dark shadow, which making you feel like inside there is a darker area. Continue, ma'am. Now I'm making clouds, so that the more we add details to a painting or sketch, it's come to a life. Now I'm trying to shade tree. I'm making bushes. You can see the shadow over the bushes. Ma'am, can you pause? Now you can see the, if we can show you the previous slide. Ma'am, can you show the previous slide and this? No, see, this was the initial basic of the basic, and now what we have drawn. Ma'am, can you show the this? You can see with the help of basic structures and shadows, reflections, this all the simple techniques I have used and put on some details through my observation, which I have seen in my real life, or you have seen in your real life. I have drawn this sketch. Now it's looking different and very much different from it. So this is how we or I do work when it's come to art and painting. So that's why the more you add the details, the detail part, the you will get something flawless. Next, ma'am. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this.
Yes, thank you, Hitesh. That was a very enlightening session based on the light. It was a very informative one. What I would say, what all I learned is uh, everything comes out of the basic shapes: cube, a circle, square, and triangle. Next thing, when you draw, set your focus on from where the light falls and shade accordingly. That brings more life to the drawing. These are the two
Yes, ma'am.
most important things I felt from the learning. Any of you, if you have any queries, or if you would like to pass on a comment or something, you may click on the raised hand icon. I will take you off mute, and you may ask Hitesh directly. How long have you been doing this, Hitesh?
Since childhood, I'm in drawing
Okay.
different things, but now I have taken to the next level, a part-time job, you can say.
Alright.
Uh, the
Good.
picture I have shown, which came on the email, no,
Yes,
that
the
Iron
poster.
Man.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I have sold that to a library.
Oh,
Uh,
congratulations. And for
yeah,
if you don't mind saying how much you sold it for?
uh, 5K.
Five 5,000 or five
Yeah, yeah, 5,000.
5,000. Okay. Good.
Yeah,
I think it's more worth than that, and you will slowly get there.
yeah, it's more work, but when you are starting, you don't
Yes,
quote
I
such a
understand.
huge
I
amount.
understand. Yes, but the painting looks like it looks like a poster made out of computer graphics. We have a question.
Yeah, I've made. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Milton, can you come off mute and ask what you would like to ask?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I would like to thank Shamaji. Shamaji?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, Shamaji,
Hello.
I would like to thank you very much because
You're
you
welcome.
have for bringing back the childhood memories. And
Oh.
I was believing that only the colors bring the natural look to the picture. But after seeing this video, I understood that even a graphite pencil can make a picture awesome. You are absolutely fantastic, and the video is also good. You made the presentation. Everything seems to be pretty wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
If you want to see my more work, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook.
You have any
I
videos
am.
on YouTube so that I can show it to my kids? So
I am having video. These videos I am having. I have created 3 videos, basic of sketching. You can easily see. Just write it down. My
should I have to
username.
search through Hitesh Sharma-ji? I mean,
No, Hitesh Sharma-ji. Actually, I have a username which is available almost on every platform. It's Hiteshify, HI. Write it down. HI.
You may tell. I will
TE.
write it in the chat option. It will go to all the participants. HI?
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. It's HITESIFY.
HITESIFY. Okay.
Yeah.
FY or
This is
FY?
the FY.
FY.
Y for yak.
Yes, this is on YouTube. Is it? Search for
This
this.
is this is on every platform actually.
Okay.
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Even if you Google it now, you will find me over this.
That's excellent. That's excellent. Search for HITESIFY on all social media, Facebook, Google, Instagram, even on Google, he says. So you can get basic videos that he's helped us with. So that's excellent. And Milton, thank you for speaking up. I believe that you were the voice of the whole set of participants today. Yes. Anybody else? Would anybody else like to say something? Good. They're all spellbound, I believe. Thank you, Hitesh. Thank you for making this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
We will share the video of this session with you. You can circulate it with other participants as well, people who couldn't join the session today. All right. Thank you, folks.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. If any of you would like to take up a session such as this, share your knowledge about your passion or share your knowledge about any technical skill that you have or something that your team has been doing, you are always welcome. You may write to me at diona@tuffy.com or to the university@tuffy.com. Let us know if you would like to take up a session. It will be on every Wednesday, 2 to 2:30, and it will be a short 20 to 25-minute session. All right. Thank you so much. You all have a lovely evening. Thank you, Hitesh. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Bye-bye.